Hey traders, risk management is everything in that. SY stop loss and take profit are essential tools in your crypto strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set stop loss and take profit on Binance, whether you're using spot or futures. Let's protect your capital and lock in profits. Let's go. Section 1. Stop loss and take profit on Binance futures. Step 1. Open the futures interface. Head to Derivatives USDM Futures or CoinM Futures. For this example, we'll use USDT. Step 2. Setting SLTP while opening a trade. In the order panel, choose Limit or Market Order. Tick the TPSL box below the leverage setting. Input your desired take profit price and stop loss price. Then place your trade. Congratulations! You've just set a TPSL. Step 3. Setting or modifying SL/TP after the trade is open, go to the Positions tab. Click TPSL on the Position row. Set your desired TP and SL prices, then click Confirm. Your SLTP will now automatically trigger if the price hits your set level. Pro tip: always use the mark price or last price. Appropriately wrong selection may cause your SL to not trigger. Section 2. Stop loss and take profit on Binance Spot. Unlike futures, Spot doesn't have a built-in TPSL system, but there are smart workarounds. Method 1. Use OCO orders. Step by step. Go to Trade Greater Than Spot. Select OCO order type from the drop-down menu. Enter limit price, stop price. Stop limit price example. You buy BTC at $30,000. Set limit equals $32,000. Set stop equals $29,000. Set stop limit equals $28,950. Once one order triggers, the other is automatically canceled. Method 2. Use manual sell orders. Simply create a limit order above market and a separate stop limit order below market. Downside: both can fill if the market jumps and drops fast. Bonus: risk management tips: always calculate position size before trading. Avoid placing SL2 tight in volatile markets. Use trailing SL in trending conditions. Review your TPSL levels using support, resistance, or price action. Outro, asterisk, and that S. How you set stop loss and take profit on Binance both in spot and futures. Use these tools to limit your downside and lock in gains without constantly watching the chart. Like this tutorial? Smash that like button, subscribe for more Binance tips, and drop a comment below if you want a guide on trailing stops or conditional orders next. Stay smart and trade safe.